This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Stay on Top on ChatGPT. I will be using the desktop app on a PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have ChatGPT opened up. To enable or disable Stay on Top, what Stay on Top does is it keeps your chat window always on top. If you enable it, if you disable it, then your ChatGPT window will not stay on top. But the way to enable it or disable it, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Preferences tab, click on Preferences. Then right here is Stay on Top. As you can see, I do not have a check mark next to Stay on Top. That means it is currently disabled. But if I wanted to enable mine, I would go down and I would click on Stay on Top. Now if I go back to Preferences, as you can see, now Stay on Top has a check mark next to it. It's enabled. Now my chat window will always stay on top. And if I want to disable that, I'll just go down and click on it again. Now the window will not stay always on top. That is how to enable or disable Stay on Top on the ChatGPT app. Thanks for watching.